Hi guys, Daniel here with Efficient Heating Service, another Viessmann boiler repair. We are receiving an FF error code on this boiler, which indicates this entire control console has to be replaced. So it's a quick swap. I would just have to replace it. Hopefully we get it up and running again. This is going to be out of box, our brand new control board. So just wanna go step by step. We unbox it. Okay, now that we had all the wiring disconnected, we are going to take this out of here. There are two clips that are holding this. Okay, that's the old guy. It's out of here now. We have to replace it. What's the new board? Just gonna put it on, connect the wiring, and keep recording. Okay, now that we have connected everything, all the wiring, where it's supposed to go, they're just there. And now I'm just gonna have to turn it on and see if it's gonna solve the problem. Okay, so before turning it on, I just decided to have a quick look inside the boiler. This igniter has already been replaced. It looks pretty good, but the inside of the boiler, as you see, is full of dirt. I have to vacuum this, clean it for them. I wasn't including my coat, but I would have to do it for them. And then after that, I will turn it on. There's one key factor here. When you clean this heat exchanger, as you see, I removed all the dirt and all that using a vacuum, but most of the time that's not enough. Why? Because that you see these areas, the dirt and stuff goes into this black hose in here, and this black hose basically connects to the P-trap, and from P-trap this it normally gets plugged. But what I have done, I already cleaned it. And that basically, if you only clean this and don't clean this hose, problem stays. It doesn't matter. This FF is nothing to do with this problem, but it's just I opened it. I have to do it for them. Normally, with this dirt and all that, it shows an F4 error code. But in this case, we had an FF because they had a bad control board. But I'm pretty sure they would have called me back anytime for another error code. So I just decided to clean it. And also right now I'm gonna clean this hose. You would see how dirty it is. I just wanna position the camera somehow you can see. And the way to clean this guy is normally better to grab something like this and a bottle of water. So you can basically put it in here, and from there you're gonna have this dirt, as you see. You see how much dirt is in there? And if you're gonna have to kind of squeeze it and tap it so all the dirt comes down. Put more water, more and more, until you get kind of clear water. Okay, that's good now, I think. So basically, this much dirt was blocking the hose as well. That's another problem on these boilers. Okay. Okay, so I put everything back after cleaning, after replacing the board. Now time to hit the switch. Let's see if it's gonna work or not. No power to the unit. Sounds like we have a fuse problem. Let me double check that. Okay. didn't turn on at the first try. Let's see. That's the second try. Still nothing. Well, the FF gone, so the control board is fixed. Now let's see why it's not coming out. Maybe there's an air in the line for the gas. Okay, let me see what's happening here. Okay, finally we got it going. The problem was the homeowner himself has replaced the igniter. It was the wrong part. I had to put a new igniter. So it's working, operational, no problem. Thanks for watching.